Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this video, we're taking the classic Loco Moco and giving it a fresh spin with fun, modern variations. Get ready to get creative in the kitchen. It's not just about the main components, toppings and sides. Turn Loco Moco from a simple meal into a loaded feast. Grilled onions. Caramelized onions add sweetness and texture, melting into the gravy. Macaroni salad. A scoop on the side is classic Hawaiian plate lunch style, cold, creamy, and just a little tangy. Potato salad. Some versions swap macaroni for potato salad, adding a starchy contrast to the rice. Avocado. Sliced or mashed, it brings a buttery richness that pairs well with the runny egg. These upgrades keep Loco Moco exciting without losing its soul. Whether you're a purist or an adventurer, there's a version of this dish that'll hit the spot. Where to find the best Loco Moco in Hawaii? If you want the real deal, skip the tourist traps and head where locals go. The best Loco Moco spots balance hearty portions, rich gravy, and that perfect runny egg. Some places stick to tradition, while others put a creative spin on the classic. Local favorites versus tourist hotspots. Tourist-heavy spots often serve Loco Moco as a novelty, but locals know where to find the versions worth craving. Here's where to go for authenticity, and where to avoid overpriced imitations. Local gems. Cafe 100, Hilo, Big Island. The birthplace of Loco Moco still serves it the old school way. Their menu has over 30 variations, but the original, simple, greasy, and satisfying, is still the star. Cash only, no frills, just like it's been since 1949. Like Drive-In, Honolulu, Oahu. A no-nonsense diner where locals pile in for plate lunches. Their Loco Moco comes with a thick patty, extra gravy, and a side of mac salad. Portions are huge, prices are fair. Ken's House of Pancakes, Hilo, Big Island. Open 24/7, this spot feeds night owls and early risers alike. Their Loco Moco is a late-night staple, with a juicy patty and gravy that's never too thin. Shiga's Saimeen Stand, Wahiawa, Oahu. Known for Saimeen, but their Loco Moco is a sleeper hit. The gravy has a hint of sweetness, and the eggs are always cooked just right. Tourist hotspots, with redeeming qualities. Rainbow Drive-In, Honolulu, Oahu. A mix of tourists and locals, but the food holds up. Their Loco Moco is reliable, though purists might prefer smaller joints. Lily Ha Bakery, Honolulu, Oahu. Famous for Cocoa Puffs, but their Loco Moco is better than most hotel versions. The gravy leans salty, which some love. Cocoa Head Cafe, Honolulu, Oahu. A brunch spot with a chef-driven twist. Their Loco Moco includes house-made patties and mushrooms in the gravy. Not traditional, but tasty. For the best experience, ask a local where they go after a long shift or a surf session. The smaller the sign outside, the better the food inside. How to enjoy Loco Moco like a local. Eating Loco Moco isn't just about filling your stomach, it's about savoring every bite the way Hawaiians do. Whether you're digging into a classic version or a modern twist, these local-approved tips will take your experience to the next level. Etiquette and serving tips. Locals have a few unwritten rules for enjoying Loco Moco. Mix the egg yolk first. Break the sunny side-up egg and let the rich yolk blend with the gravy and rice. This creates a creamy, sauce-like texture that coats every bite. Layer the flavors. Take a little rice, a piece of patty, and a bit of gravy in each forkful. Balance is key, you don't want one component overpowering the rest. Eat it fresh. Loco Moco is best hot, straight from the kitchen. Letting it sit too long turns the rice soggy and the egg rubbery. Pairing suggestions. The right sides and drinks can elevate your meal. Here's what locals often pair with Loco Moco. Mac salad. A cool, creamy counterpoint to the rich gravy. The tangy mayo dressing cuts through the heaviness. Kimchi or pickled veggies. Adds a punch of acidity and crunch, perfect if you like a little brightness in your meal. A cold Hawaiian beer. Think Remo or Kona longboard. The light maltiness balances the savory dish without overpowering it. Iced tea or passion orange juice. Sweet, tropical flavors cleanse the palate between bites. Where to eat it like a local. Skip the fancy plating. Authentic Loco Moco is served on a paper plate or styrofoam takeout container, often with plastic utensils. If you're at a diner or drive-in, eat it quickly like the regulars do. This isn't a dish for slow savoring. For the full experience, try it breakfast or lunch. Many spots serve it all day, but locals often grab it after a surf session or before a long work shift. Hungry yet? Loco Moco is more than a meal, it's a taste of Hawaii's culture, blending simplicity with big flavors. From its humble diner beginnings to creative modern twists, this dish captures the spirit of the islands. Whether you stick with the classic or try a spicy kimchi version, each bite tells a story of local tradition and innovation. Ready to experience it yourself? Whip up a batch at home using our recipe, or bookmark the best spots for your next trip to Hawaii. Either way, don't skip the runny egg. That's where the magic happens. This video shows why Loco Moco is and always will be Hawaii's comfort food classic. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.